Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are diving into the part 2 of our Masters in Finance series. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 universities of each country including USA, Canada, UK, Australia, France, Germany, Singapore and more. We will cover GMAT and GRE score requirements as well as the universities that do not require GMAT or GRE scores for admission in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia and France. Other than this, we will also cover the common eligibility criteria for Masters in Finance. In our previous video, we covered the basics of Masters in Finance, including what it is, who typically pursues it, course and subject details, benefits, drawbacks and top countries. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out for a thorough understanding of Masters in Finance degree. Let's start the video with the common eligibility criteria in the best countries for a Masters in Finance. Firstly, you must have completed your undergraduate degree in any stream, preferably commerce and accounting, with at least 50% marks from a recognized university. Additionally, you will need an IELTS score of 6 to 6.5 or a TOEFL score between 90 to 100. To begin with, USA is most favored destination by international students for a Masters in Finance and is known for being home to many prestigious universities that consistently rank high in global rankings. So the top 5 universities in USA which requires GMAT focus addition and GRE score for admission to international students are Pennsylvania, New York, Columbia, Chicago and MIT. The average GMAT focus addition score required for these universities typically ranges from 595 to 645, while the GRE score required is between 310 to 320 or higher. Some top universities in USA do not require GMAT focus addition score or GRE score for admission, but provide great academic opportunities. Northeastern, Southern California, Florida, American University, जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन यूनिवर्सिटी। अब यूएसए के बाद जान लेते हैं इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स की सेकंड प्रेफरेंस, दैट इज यूके। Many students choose the UK for their masters in finance because the universities provide strong academic programs alongside practical training and preparing graduates for their careers in global finance. The top 5 universities in the UK that require GMAT focus addition score or GRE score for international students seeking admission to their masters in finance programs are Oxford, London Business School, Cambridge, Cranfield and Imperial. For these universities, the required GMAT focus addition score ranges from 555 to 635, while the required GRE score falls between 315 to 320. While these top universities in the UK maintain a strict requirement such as GMAT focus addition score or GRE score, others adopt a more flexible approach. So the top 5 universities in the UK that will take you in without any GRE or GMAT focus addition are Manchester, Edinburgh, Bristol, Warwick and London School of Economics. After covering the admission criteria in the UK, let's now focus on Canada, where many top universities also require GMAT focus addition or GRE score for their Masters in Finance. Such universities include Toronto, McGill, Alberta, McMaster and Concordia. The average GMAT focus addition score for these universities ranges from 555 to 615, while the GRE score spans from 300 to 320. Not all top tier universities in Canada adhere to the conventional GMAT focus addition or GRE requirements. Some consider other methods as well. So naming a few: British Columbia, York, Queen's, Gustavson and St. Mary. After detailing the GMAT focus addition or GRE requirements in Canada, our next stop is Australia, where several top universities also have specific score requirements for their Masters in Finance programs. Some notable institutions in Australia are Melbourne, ANU, New South Wales, RMIT and Queensland. The typical GMAT focus addition score for these universities falls between 515 to 595, while the GRE score ranges from 300 to 320. In Australia, some of the top universities waived the need for GMAT focus addition or GRE score, making them accessible to a broader range of applicants. Make sure to note them: Monash, Western Australia, Sydney, Wollongong and Griffith. Having explored the admission criteria in Australia, it's time to shift our focus to France. Here we will look at the GMAT focus addition score or GRE score requirements set by some of the country's leading universities such as HEC Paris, ESSEC, EDHEC, ESCP and Paris Dauphine. The average GMAT Focus Edition score for these universities ranges from 595 to 645. As shown in the table, most of these universities do not require GRE score, with the exception of ESSEC, which requires a GRE score of 325. Now that we have explored some of the top universities in France requiring GMAT Focus Edition or GRE for MS in Finance, let's consider those universities that offer admission without these standardized tests. Let's see some of the amazing universities in France जहाँ पे without GMAT Focus Edition और GRE admission हो सकता है. Schema, Grenoble, Neoma, Kej and Montpellier. Now let's turn our attention to Germany, where numerous prestigious institutions have their own specific requirements for Masters in Finance. Leading universities in Germany that require GMAT Focus Edition or GRE score for international students include Frankfurt, Mannheim, Munich, WHU, HHL Leipzig. The typical GMAT Focus Edition score for these universities ranges from 555 to 585. Similar to the top universities in France, most leading universities in Germany do not require GRE score, except for a few such as University of Mannheim and WHU, which require a GRE score of 320 and 315 respectively. Next up, we have Singapore. It is home to leading universities known for their strong master's programs in finance, valued for their rigorous academic standards and extensive links to the global financial sector. Some of the top universities in Singapore are National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore Management University, INSEAD, National University of Singapore Business School. Some universities such as Nanyang and Singapore Management Universities do not have a minimum GMAT Focus Edition or GRE requirements. However, for the other universities, the GMAT Focus Edition score ranges from 595 to 645 and the GRE score ranges from 320 to 325. Now it's time to explore the best universities in other popular countries like New Zealand, Switzerland, Ireland, Netherlands, UAE and Hong Kong that offers a MS in Finance degree. These countries are home to some good universities like Auckland, Geneva, RSM, Trinity, American University of Sharjah, HKUST. The GMAT Focus Edition score required for these universities is between 555 to 585. And that is all about today's video. I hope आपको इन सभी countries की best universities और उनकी GMAT Focus Edition और GRE score requirements के बारे में अच्छे से पता चल गया होगा. Still, if you have any questions in your mind related to any university or any country, then let us know in the comments below. We are ready to help. You can also book a free counseling session with one of our experts at AdmitX. AdmitX will not only help you with your application process, they will also assist you with your departure. So book the counseling session now. The link is in the description below. In the next part of the series, we will be covering the tuition fee, the living expenses and some affordable universities. So like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates.